Tim's workshop. Out here in the mini shed, I got the Johnson 1947 TD20 5 horse. We got the head cover on, we got the motor on. Now we're moving on to part 9, putting on the, what I call the exhaust cover. Okay, it goes on first, like that. Then this goes like this, and then gets the 3 screws in. This one goes like that. Because these take 7 to 10 inch-pounds, so that's where this is going to come in handy. Okay, this is called the preset torque screwdriver. Well, I guess we could set this on 7. So 6, 7. Okay. Get this wiped down. On those screws, we're going to be using anti-seize on them. So we'll leave that open. Okay, so first off, we'll do this side. And like I said, since this has water, this end of it here, moisture, you want to put the sealer on there. Water is actually considered a lubricant. People don't think of it as a lubricant, but it actually is, because it has minerals in it. So it does like to get through things if you don't seal them up good. You know, like a radiator. Radiators leak. Now, the reason they leak is because something eventually failed on it. Something broke down and it no longer holds water. Now, O-rings are a petroleum product as well. So, like tires, they're only good for so long. So when you put in O-rings in a motor, whatever it is, outboard motor, vehicle, whatever, equipment, eventually those O-rings will break down. Okay, now seal this side. Now it's time to put this guy on. Anti-seize on these little guys. Put some on this guy here. I got this set at 7 inch-pounds, so I think this will be good enough. That's good. That's good. That's good. Hear it click. There we go. 7 inch-pounds. Get the other gasket. Flip it over. Yeah, this is kind of a mess. Oh, my paint's coming off in my fingers. So we'll have to touch that cover up when we're done. Okay, now let's get this off. Screws, here they are. Anti-seize. Okay, get this guy up there like so, and put the screw in here. Okay. Keep going around. Anti-seize. Put this back over there like that. Okay, cool. Make sure the center one is started. Okay, and then go ahead and work the other ones. Now it's time to run these up the 7 inch-pounds. Okay. Okay, now we'll take it up to 10 inch-pounds. There we go. So what's next? Putting on some smaller parts. Like there's a mechanism that goes here that when you put the carburetor on, you got to hook the mechanism to the carburetor. You won't be able to do that unless the mechanism's there. So that has to go on next. The mechanism, that's what goes on next. Get this stuff off the carburetor. That's where the mechanism hooks up right there. So take stuff off. Let's tighten this up. I don't have a wrench out here that will fit this, but this these little channel locks work. Okay. I think I can go ahead and put this carburetor on. Okay, now I need the little cotter pins, and it has like a little washer that goes on there too, which I don't think I had the washers. I think the only thing that was on there when I got it was the just the cotter pin. So we will put the washers on too. So there's a washer, and there's the cotter pin. There we go. Now grab the end of the cotter pin. Okay. Now let's grab the end of the cotter pin and pull it up on it. There we go. Then grab the bottom of it, twist it around, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but there we go. So now we just need to put the gasket on there and put the bolts in. Got this hooked up and the cotter pin in and the little washer. I put the tube, got that hooked up, right, and then started the screw over here and put the washer in, and make sure you put the gasket in. And I'm using the new hardware that came with the gaskets. It came with its own lock washer and nut, so that's good. And the screw over here is brand new as well. We're getting this stuff put together. The copper's showing up good. I've got to clean off a little bit of paint right there. But that's just minor touch-up stuff. The water tube. Yay! Yuck. There we go. This does go up here. Okay. Alright, did a little touch up over here too, so that looks better. I decided not to paint the bolts and screws, the new ones. The old ones, yeah, no problem, but the new stuff has been used on the motor. So yeah, looks good.